A child has only one childhood, so please make it fun. The human life cycle has six main stages: the fetus, the baby, the child, adolescent, adult, and elderly stages. But the first four, the fetus, baby, child, and adolescent stage, are dependent on us as parents. The decisions we make directly affect our children. For these four stages, we decide what they do. So, as a child has only one childhood, I'm pleading with us all to make it fun. Just as I was saying, a child has only one childhood, so please make it fun in your own little way. You don't have to break your bank account to do things like that for your kids. Just a little, a little goes a long way. Create memories with them, and believe me, these beautiful memories will stick with them for the rest of their life. They will always cherish it. It might look like it's nothing, but it's very worth it. These Wonder Wipes are so good. I'm not exaggerating. Can you see the difference? And you can use them for almost every surface: fabric, wood, glass, metal, almost everything. My kids have never used real pillows, the cushion ones. I've had these wedge pillows ever since they were born. It raises their head high up because I realize using pillows make them struggle to sleep. They keep moving their heads off the pillow and you see their necks in very funny positions. So I decided to use this instead of the normal pillows. Cleaning this room is the hardest thing to do in this house. The space is so small, so you have to squeeze yourself in and out. It's so hard, but then I have to do it. It's quite dirty, it's very dusty. I'm going to do the same for this side as well. What is that you doing? Is it what- is it what you are worrying about? Yes. Help me put this in the bin, please. Put this in the bin. So you will not see. I'm done with most of the dirty cleaning, so I'm going to take these gloves off and then get new ones. Then the fun begins. I'm going to tie these leaves around the top side of the bed. So I'm just going to do like an in and out motion just to wrap it around the bars. Put it back here. Okay. We did it. Cuckoo. Wow. Hmm? Because you guys don't watch it. I just keep paying for Netflix. You have Amazon Prime. You have Disney. You have Netflix. You tell me you want YouTube. Every time I say let's watch a movie, you tell me no. You want to watch cartoons. You want to be a YouTuber. 12 plus 16. And if I say 30, 28. What am I guessing? I think. You told me you wanted that. Let me go and get your brother. Anyways, next year, can you please? Okay. Can you help me? With what? Let me choose what I get. Can you please stay outside? My first? The first? Mm-hmm. Yeah? 15 years old. Please allow me to do that. 15? Teenager. So we'll see. How will that happen? Go and bring me the green blankets in my bedroom. Hurry up. Mm-hmm. We're having different shades of blue. It's for free? Yeah. Because it's spring. Spring? Mm-hmm. It's so hard to make this side of the bed. When you wake up in the morning, what do you do? Falling down from the bed. Like this? No. No, that's what it looks like to me. When is your next eye test? Hmm? Okay. July. Last July. Stand up. Fire, fire. Go and play with him. You know he likes to play with you. So I'm off of it. Electric guitars. I'm off of girl. Huh? Okay, keep it moving. We are doing more of a jungle safari deco style thing. You know, the shades of green, gray, brown, the neutral tones. Yes, so safari, is it jungle safari or safari jungle theme? Safari animals theme. Ah, what's wrong with your neck? It's crying. I have to go get baby. And see what the boys are doing. I left for a few seconds and see they are already messing everything up. Even before I finish. I just have to put these monkey toys on the curtain bars. Then I think I'm done. No, I have a few things to do. And this is it. This how the room looks like with the lights off. I'm going to let you see what it looks like with the lights off at the end. Hello, Fifi. Ibababa. Mama. Mama. Papa. Dada. Baba. Baba. Mama. Mama. Baba. Mama. Baba. Hello, baby. My baby. My baby. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know. Na, 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 na. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.